Hey Siri, play some Led Zeppelin.
Okay, playing playlist Led Zeppelin.
Hey Siri, show me directions to Dallas Museum of Art.
Getting directions to Dallas Museum of Art.
Hey Siri, show me directions to Dallas Museum of Art via Waze.
One option is Dallas Museum of Art on North Harwood Street. Let me know if I should call one of them or get directions for you. Getting directions to Dallas Museum of Art using Waze.
I'm gonna leave you alone.
Hey Siri, show Pandora. Hey Siri, show Spotify.
You know I'm leave you in the summertime. Leave you when the summer comes around. Leave you when the summer comes around.
Your daily drive is a mix of news.
Fight for Hong Kong's political crisis, and shortly before the latest outbreak of violence, Simon Cheng, a worker from the city's
Siri,
UK
show
consulate,
Spotify.
was released from custody in mainland China. Mr. Cheng disappeared on a business
Hey
trip
Siri,
2
show
weeks ago
Spotify.
amid the rising tensions between Britain and China over the pro-democracy protests.
Hey Siri,
The
show
BBC's
Spotify.
John Sudworth. A white Florida has been found guilty of killing an unarmed black man in the parking lot of a convenience store last year. Bradley George of member station WUSF reports the case has renewed attention on Florida's Stand Your Ground law.
The jury delivered a guilty verdict against Michael Draka late Friday night.